you taking me on?
I mean, it depends.
I'll be in your suitcase.
That's fine. That's done. Deal.
Good morning, everyone. It's 5:30. I think I slept maybe like 4 hours or something. Let's do it. If you couldn't tell by that previous footage, I am definitely not a morning person. But shortly after that, we took off as my dad and I made our 3-hour drive to pick up my brother in Lyon. So we've arrived in Versailles, Paris, and we're gonna go have a lunch right at the airport. Look. And then we're gonna take on off. Ah, it feels good to walk. I've been driving for like the past hours. I think 3 hours. I mean, does it get any better than this?
Bon appétit. J'avais trop.
So, is it time?
It's time. It is time for you to party.
Are you nervous?
No.
Are you excited?
Yes. I'm in the zone, baby. Let's get it done.
There she is, waiting for us. Here it is. Welcome on board the PC-12 with service from Paris to Strasbourg. We are currently first in line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes time. We ask that you please fasten your seatbelts and secure all baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. Thank you for choosing Luxe Aviation and enjoy your flight. We're in the plane, about to take off now. We're at just taxiing. I don't know if you guys can hear me, it's quite loud. Such a special moment, and my brother is flying. I think he's going to be the one taking off. I will show you when the time comes.
Pas à la campagne avec ces avions.
Seb, say the traditional thing you need to say.
Bonjour, merci d'avoir volé avec nous aujourd'hui.
On Luxe Aviation.
Luxe Aviation.
And we've arrived in Strasbourg. It is actually freezing here. So cold. So definitely notice a change of weather. But we're locking up the plane now and heading off. The next morning, we hit the town for a day of exploring. Our first stop was Café Brand for a traditional French breakfast, which was absolutely divine. So delicious. After that, we made our way to the Notre Dame Cathedral of Strasbourg, an absolute must-see should you ever visit. It is incredibly historic and a Gothic art masterpiece. One of the many remarkable things about Strasbourg Cathedral is that it took centuries to build. Like the original construction of the church began in the year 1015, and it was completed over a period of 424 years. Wow, I was in awe of the craftsmanship.
Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can maybe I can see what was broken.
Between 1647 and 1874, Notre Dame Cathedral of Strasbourg was the tallest building in the world for a period of 227 years. And the hues that you see there, the pinky brown hue tones, actually come from the sandstone, which I thought was really unique for a cathedral. When you step inside, you're immediately greeted with a breathtaking sight. Stunning stained glass windows dating back to the 12th and 13th centuries. It felt unreal. The ambiance of the area seemed as though we had literally stepped into a children's storybook. Each house was half timbered and decorated with these beautiful bright flowers, which really added to the charm of our stroll along the river. This is the German Renaissance architecture that you see all throughout l'Alsace. Now, it's impossible to come to l'Alsace without trying la Choucroute, which is sauerkraut in English. Morning, friends! It is another day here, and I am again on the jet flying back to Paris. So it's another bumpy one this morning. Oh my goodness! I need to get used to this. I don't think I actually ever will, to be honest. But this is the view. Okay, so I never ever get motion sickness. But I felt really queasy my first few times flying in the jet, and my brother actually quickly shared with me a trick that pilots use to stop the nausea when they learn to fly on the plane. And believe it or not, it's actually chewing gum. And so I tried it and the feeling went away immediately. It seriously worked and I felt so much better. It is another day here and we're about to take off now to fly to Paris from Strasbourg, which is like around an hour. Oh, that's one of the pilots. That is like an hour from here. But I wanted to close off this vlog and just say thank you so much for watching. I've had an absolute ball. It was incredible seeing my brother fly this big plane. Just unbelievable, and I haven't seen my brother since 2017, which is around like 5 years ago now, so it's a long time, and to see him progress like that was just incredible, and spending time with my family, my brother and my dad was just awesome. So we're about to take off now. There he is. I don't know if you can see my brother. Seb! Say hi through the window! But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little glimpse of the behind the scenes. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, friends.